Does achieving the perfect skincare routine feel overwhelming? I totally get it. It can feel like too much sometimes. There are so many products out there, right? Toners, serums, actives, moisturizers, facial oils. The list feels endless. 5-step routines, 10-step routines, sheet mask, clay mask, gel mask, lip mask. It's easy to get lost. And then with thousands of skincare videos available at a click, plus the endless stream of advice from influencers and skincare experts, suddenly it feels like skincare is a full-time job. But here's the truth. Healthy glowing skin isn't just about piling on products. It's about balance. Eating nutritious food, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, managing stress, and taking care of your overall health are just as important as what you put on your face. The good news? Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. A simple, thoughtful routine can do wonders as long as you stay consistent. You don't need to fill your shelf with every trending product. Let's break it down together. Your morning routine can be quick, easy, and effective with just 3 essentials. Number 1. Cleanser to remove oil and impurities from the night. Number 2. Moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Number 3. Sunscreen, the non-negotiable step to protect your skin from sun damage and prevent premature aging. Here's a pro tip. If you want to address specific skin concerns like dullness, acne, or pigmentation, you can add a toner or serum between your cleanser and moisturizer. But even with just these 3 steps, you will see results if you are consistent. If you wear makeup, double cleansing is the key to fully cleanse your skin. Here's a simple nighttime routine. Number 1. Oil-based cleanser or micellar water to remove makeup, sunscreen, or any buildup. Number 2. Facial cleanser to ensure your skin is thoroughly cleaned. Number 3. Toner, great for balancing your skin's pH. Number 4. Serum. Choose one that targets your specific needs like retinol for anti-aging, hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide for acne or redness, and so on. Number 5. Moisturizer to lock in moisture and repair your skin overnight. If your skin is very dry, you can layer a facial oil on top for extra nourishment. Otherwise, just skip it and get a good night's sleep. That is more important. In the end, less is more. Skincare should feel good, not stressful. Be mindful of recent trends, but don't let them pressure you or control your life. Simplicity and consistency often work the best. With the right balance of healthy habits and an easy to follow routine, your skin will thank you. Take care, trust your journey, and remember, you've got this.